Hey everyone! Do native English speakers use question tags all the time? Absolutely, they do. In this video, you'll learn how question tags work and practice 100 natural examples to help your English sound smoother, more fluent, and more natural in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Question tags are short questions we add to the end of a sentence. Native English speakers use them all the time in everyday conversations. We often use question tags to check information, ask for agreement, sound more natural and friendly. You like pizza, don't you? She's your sister, isn't she? It's raining, isn't it? The first part is the statement. The short question at the end is the question tag. Usually, positive sentence, negative question tag. Negative sentence, positive question tag. He is tired, isn't he? They are ready, aren't they? You don't drive, do you? She can swim, can't she? We normally use the same helping verb in the question tag. You are happy, aren't you? She can drive, can't she? They have finished, haven't they? B. He is late, isn't he? They aren't busy, are they? Do, does. You like coffee, don't you? She doesn't live here, does she? Did. They went home, didn't they? You didn't call me, did you? Have, has. She has finished, hasn't she? They haven't eaten, have they? Can. You can swim, can't you? He can't drive, can he? Will. They will come, won't they? She won't forget, will she? Should. We should leave, shouldn't we? He shouldn't say that, should he? Would. You would help me, wouldn't you? They wouldn't lie, would they? You usually wake up early, don't you? You usually wake up early, don't you? The house feels colder today, doesn't it? The house feels colder today, doesn't it? She was running late this morning, wasn't she? She was running late this morning, wasn't she? You've already had breakfast, haven't you? You've already had breakfast, haven't you? We can leave after lunch, can't we? We can leave after lunch, can't we? He won't forget his keys again, will he? He won't forget his keys again, will he? The neighbours were arguing last night, weren't they? The neighbours were arguing last night, weren't they? You should clean your room soon, shouldn't you? You should clean your room soon, shouldn't you? I'm next to use the bathroom, aren't I? I'm next to use the bathroom, aren't I? Let's get ready now, shall we? Let's get ready now, shall we? Your brother lives abroad now, doesn't he? Your brother lives abroad now, doesn't he? She hasn't called you back yet, has she? She hasn't called you back yet, has she? They were together at the party, weren't they? They were together at the party, weren't they? You can trust her completely, can't you? You can trust her completely, can't you? Your parents will be proud of you, won't they? Your parents will be proud of you, won't they? He shouldn't speak to people like that, should he? He shouldn't speak to people like that, should he? We've known each other for years, haven't we? We've known each other for years, haven't we? Your cousin wasn't offended, was he? Your cousin wasn't offended, was he? Everyone enjoyed the barbecue, didn't they? Everyone enjoyed the barbecue, didn't they? Pass your dad the drinks, would you? Pass your dad the drinks, would you? You finished the report already, didn't you? You finished the report already, didn't you? The meeting starts at 9, doesn't it? The meeting starts at 9, doesn't it? She can speak confidently in presentations, can't she? She can speak confidently in presentations, can't she? They weren't prepared for the interview, were they? They weren't prepared for the interview, were they? We should revise this chapter again, shouldn't we? We should revise this chapter again, shouldn't we? He's been working remotely lately, hasn't he? He's been working remotely lately, hasn't he? Your teacher explained it clearly, didn't she? Your teacher explained it clearly, didn't she? The office isn't too far from here, is it? The office isn't too far from here, is it? You'll send the email later, won't you? You'll send the email later, won't you? Let's take a short break, shall we? Let's take a short break, shall we? This curry tastes amazing, doesn't it? This curry tastes amazing, doesn't it? You haven't ordered yet, have you? You haven't ordered yet, have you? She can cook really well, can't she? She can cook really well, can't she? The waiter was very polite, wasn't he? The waiter was very polite, wasn't he? They won't close the restaurant early, will they? They won't close the restaurant early, will they? We should try the homemade pizza, shouldn't we? We should try the homemade pizza, shouldn't we? He doesn't eat spicy food, does he? He doesn't eat spicy food, does he? The drinks were quite expensive, weren't they? The drinks were quite expensive, weren't they? Somebody booked this table already, didn't they? Somebody booked this table already, didn't they? Pass me the salt, could you? Pass me the salt, could you? Your flight leaves tonight, doesn't it? Your flight leaves tonight, doesn't it? She's travelled around Europe before, hasn't she? She's travelled around Europe before, hasn't she? They couldn't find the platform number, could they? They couldn't find the platform number, could they? The traffic was terrible earlier, wasn't it? The traffic was terrible earlier, wasn't it? You can park here for free, can't you? You can park here for free, can't you? We should leave a bit earlier tomorrow, shouldn't we? We should leave a bit earlier tomorrow, shouldn't we? He won't miss the train again, will he? He won't miss the train again, will he? The hotel wasn't as expensive as expected, was it? The hotel wasn't as expensive as expected, was it? Everybody packed their passport, didn't they? Everybody packed their passport, didn't they? Let's grab a taxi instead, shall we? Let's grab a taxi instead, shall we? You spend too much time on your phone, don't you? You spend too much time on your phone, don't you? She hasn't replied to your message yet, has she? She hasn't replied to your message yet, has she? This app works really smoothly, doesn't it? This app works really smoothly, doesn't it? They were watching videos all night, weren't they? They were watching videos all night, weren't they? You can edit photos on this tablet, can't you? You can edit photos on this tablet, can't you? He shouldn't post everything online, should he? He shouldn't post everything online, should he? We've seen that video before, haven't we? We've seen that video before, haven't we? The internet isn't working properly again, is it? The internet isn't working properly again, is it? Nobody deleted the file, did they? Nobody deleted the file, did they? Send me the link later, would you? Send me the link later, would you? You've been going to the gym recently, haven't you? You've been going to the gym recently, haven't you? She can run incredibly fast, can't she? She can run incredibly fast, can't she? They weren't feeling very well yesterday, were they? They weren't feeling very well yesterday, were they? This exercise looks difficult, doesn't it? This exercise looks difficult, doesn't it? We should drink more water during the day, shouldn't we? We should drink more water during the day, shouldn't we? He won't skip training again, will he? He won't skip training again, will he? Your back feels better now, doesn't it? Your back feels better now, doesn't it? I shouldn't eat so much chocolate, should I? I shouldn't eat so much chocolate, should I? Everybody needs proper sleep, don't they? Everybody needs proper sleep, don't they? Let's go for a walk later, shall we? Let's go for a walk later, shall we? You bought this online, didn't you? You bought this online, didn't you? The prices have gone up again, haven't they? The prices have gone up again, haven't they? She can always find good bargains, can't she? She can always find good bargains, can't she? They weren't happy with the service, were they? They weren't happy with the service, were they? This jacket looks expensive, doesn't it? This jacket looks expensive, doesn't it? We shouldn't spend too much today, should we? We shouldn't spend too much today, should we? He doesn't carry cash anymore, does he? He doesn't carry cash anymore, does he? The queue was ridiculously long, wasn't it? The queue was ridiculously long, wasn't it? Someone took my shopping trolley, didn't they? Someone took my shopping trolley, didn't they? Give me a receipt, would you? Give me a receipt, would you? It's freezing outside today, isn't it? It's freezing outside today, isn't it? You were nervous before the interview, weren't you? You were nervous before the interview, weren't you? She hasn't been herself lately, has she? She hasn't been herself lately, has she? The sunset looks beautiful tonight, doesn't it? The sunset looks beautiful tonight, doesn't it? They couldn't believe the news, could they? They couldn't believe the news, could they? We should stay inside until the storm passes, shouldn't we? We should stay inside until the storm passes, shouldn't we? He won't stay upset forever, will he? He won't stay upset forever, will he? This week has felt exhausting, hasn't it? This week has felt exhausting, hasn't it? Nobody expected it to snow today, did they? Nobody expected it to snow today, did they? Let's just relax tonight, shall we? Let's just relax tonight, shall we? That didn't go as planned, did it? That didn't go as planned, did it? You've heard this story 100 times, haven't you? You've heard this story 100 times, haven't you? She can be stubborn sometimes, can't she? She can be stubborn sometimes, can't she? We're still on for tomorrow, aren't we? We're still on for tomorrow, aren't we? He wouldn't lie about something serious, would he? He wouldn't lie about something serious, would he? The atmosphere felt awkward after that comment, didn't it? The atmosphere felt awkward after that comment, didn't it? You shouldn't take everything personally, should you? You shouldn't take everything personally, should you? There's still plenty of time left, isn't there? There's still plenty of time left, isn't there? Nobody warned us about the delay, did they? Nobody warned us about the delay, did they? Close the door behind you, will you? Close the door behind you, will you? Great job! The more question tags you hear and repeat, the more natural your English will sound.